Hey guys, this is Keegin with Smokin Gun Worx again. Another cleaning video today. We got the Glock 42 380 pistol. This is a pretty common gun around here. Good one for concealed carry, stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and start with removing our magazine and locking our slide to the rear. Inspect our chamber and our magazine well. Make sure we're empty, and we are. Let our slide forward. Of course, being a Glock, we gotta dry fire it, so drop our striker like that. We're gonna pull the slide back just a little bit. We've got these two pieces on the side here. When we slide that slide back just maybe 1/8 of an inch, we're going to pull this down on both sides. That's going to allow the slide to come off the front. So go ahead and discard our frame for now. To remove our recoil spring assembly, you need to actually compress that a little bit and pull it out. Pulls right out the rear just like that. Set that off to the side. Our barrel needs to tilt up before it removes out the rear again. Set that to the side. That's as far as we're going to disassemble this gun today. Getting to our barrel here, we've got our brass brush equipped on our cleaning rod. Just going to scrub this a couple of times here, back and forth. Switch over to our jag here. Put a CLP in there. Put a fresh clean patch on this jag, run this through a few times. This is going to pull any of the dust or any of the fouling we've left behind with the copper brush, along with the CLP. Scrub that a few times. See, it's already turning black. Discard that. Go look down our barrel. Looks clean enough for today. Put some CLP on the outside of the barrel here on the protrusions, the cam underneath, the feed ramp. Brush here, just scrub all around this. Scrub our locking recess there. Take some CLP on our rag. We're just going to wipe the outside of this off. And our barrel is going to be clean enough for today. We're going to move on to our slide here. We're going to be focusing on the slide rails and this rear portion right here where the striker's at. That's where most of our fouling is going to build up. So I just got some CLP in those areas. We're going to take our bristle brush, just scrub back and forth a few times here, break up some of that fouling, get it loosened up. No grit or particles or debris or anything in there. Take our rag and wipe out our excess CLP in here. That's going to be it for our slide. Recoil springs, like always, generally don't need to clean them. You can wipe them off. We're just going to take a good look at it, make sure nothing's broken or bent or prematurely worn or anything like that. That all looks good. We're going to move on to the frame. The frame, same thing here. We're going to take some CLP, of course, put it on our frame rails here. Take our bristle brush. Just going to clean these rails off really well. And take our rag and just kind of wipe away some of the fouling and the CLP that we've left behind there. As far as reassembly, we're going to start back with our slide here. Barrel is going to go into the slide through the hole there and rearward down into the recess. Spring, larger end always forward or at the muzzle end of the firearm. Need to compress that a little bit and center it. So starting all the way at the front here, we're going to slide this onto the frame, slide it all the way to the back, lock it open, and again check our chamber and our magazine well, make sure the firearm's empty. Let our slide forward, dry fire it to make sure that works. Cycle the slide, making sure it's not gritty or tight or obstructed in any way. With the trigger held to the rear, we cycled the slide. We're going to let the trigger go. You'll hear that loud audible click. Again, that just ensures that our firearm is working properly. And that is how you clean a Glock 43, or 42 for that matter, just for general maintenance. If you want to get it really detail cleaned or any farther than this, stop in and see us or give us a call at 815-938-3006. This is Keegin with Smokin Gun Worx. Thanks for checking us out, guys.
8785 North Baileyville Road, Forreston, Illinois.